Hi there. So today I'm going to do a seascape, but it's going to have some land as well, and it's going to have some cliffs. And this painting, this canvas, I am overpainting. I didn't like, what was underneath. I just used it as a, some of these canvases I just use as, when I'm doing my tuition. Demonstration is what I'm looking for. I just use as demonstration and then I paint over them. Because, they're not like, I've not spent hours and hours on them. So anyway, so there we are. So I'm going to do, let me see, show you. I'm going to, about here, I'll probably put in some cliffs. Put some cliffs there as well. And then I want a very, very small area of sea, very small. And some, probably about there. And then here, I'm going to put some grasses and a lovely sky with lots of detail in it, lots of cloud in it. Okay, so right, I'm going to use, let's see if I can get, I'm using ultramarine, cobalt blue, and cerulean blue, 3 blues, and I'm using a burnt umber and a burnt sienna, and I'm using cream and white, and I'll make a nice peach from the sienna, right, because I want peach in this sky. So I'll start off by mixing a very pale blue. I use the cream, and I'm going to put a touch of black in it to give it a nice, whoops a daisy. I'm going to give it a nice blue-green, blue-grey. So I'm going to put it about there. This is just like a sketch, just where I'm going to put the sea, okay. Just mixed a nice dark green. I'm going to just put it on here and there with a palette knife. Whoops. There. So, okay. This is impressionist painting. It's not realism. There. You can always go over it. There, like that. Right. Now, we'll put a little bit of pink in that sky. Lots of different colours. Okay, so this is where I'm up to at the moment, and I'm going to let the painting dry for a few hours. And I just thought I'd show you about what I do about my brushes. I don't wash my brushes. I just put them on a damp cloth, spray them with water, and just fold the cloth over, and they're good to go. Just wipe them off and they're good to go. I find that if you wash your brush and if you let them sit in water, it's not good. The painting will be, the paint will be affected, and it won't be at the right consistency. So I'm adding another layer, and I'm lightening the sea. I've mixed a really lovely pale blue with cerulean and cream, and I'm just bringing it down into those grasses. I just want layers and layers at this point. And of course, I need the layers anyway to cover the underpainting. And now I've started to add some of that really pale blue that I used in the sea. I've started to add that to the sky. And you'll notice that I'm coming over the cliffs, and the residue on my brush will give a sort of misty look so that there's not a hard edge on the cliffs. More layers going into the sky. I wanted that peach to really stand out. Okay, so I'm starting to use a white paint for the surf. Now, what I do with my paint is I leave it out overnight. People that have, seen a lot of my videos will know this, but people that are just watching for the first time, maybe you don't know this little trick. So I take a white acrylic paint, put it on a saucer, on a paper plate or something, and then just put a little paper plate over the top and leave it out overnight, and it goes really, really thick. You do put a plate over the top of it though, otherwise it'll dry up, but it'll go really thick and it'll give lots and lots of texture for the surf. It's brilliant. Try it. I also use this trick for the highlights in the cloud. I use a thicker white paint to put a few little details into the clouds. So I use the splatter technique to get the grasses in the foreground. So this is the finished painting. I've just worked a little bit more on the foreground. I've just put in some extra layers of, the grasses and things. Apart from that, I've just really gone over just a few areas just to thicken them up and to stop the underpainting coming through. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you subscribe to the channel. It would be very nice. And I'll see you next time. Meanwhile, lots of love from the land of mist and legend. Bye for now.